You walk into the gym for the first time, and everyone else looks like they're level 50. Here's the truth. The gym is the most honest video game ever made. And this is how you level up. Rule 1. New players get boosted XP. Your first months are the fastest gains of your life. The game literally rewards you just for showing up. Don't waste the new bonus. Rule 2. The gym doesn't count perfect workouts, it counts attendance. 3 average sessions a week beats 1 heroic one. The streak is the real XP multiplier. Rule 3. Progressive overload. The game only pays XP when the weight is slightly heavier than last time. Comfortable reps are grey quests, they pay nothing. Rule 4. Ego lifting is a trap. Load the bar past your level and you don't fight the boss. You feed it. Bad form doesn't skip levels. It deletes your save file. Rule 5. You don't level up in the gym. You level up in bed and in the kitchen. Training only cues the XP. Sleep and protein are what actually bank it. Rule 6. Stop inspecting other players. That level 80 didn't spawn there. You're watching his year 5 and comparing it to your day 1. The only leaderboard is you versus yesterday. Rule 7. Plateaus are boss fights. When the bar stops moving, the game is asking for a new strategy, not more rage. And a failed lift isn't game over. You keep every rep of XP. 1 year later, you're the high-level player somebody's nervously watching on their first day. So start today. The new bonus is waiting. And subscribe. This channel is your save point.